Good afternoon, parents and students. I'm going to do a video of how to log into Zoom from Schology. So, if you don't remember what we talked about today, on Wednesdays, when you do not have school, you will have a check-in on Zoom at 8 in the morning. At that time, what we will do is go over your assignments for that day, and I will take attendance. You will then have other options if you need to ask questions through the rest of the day to log back onto Zoom to chat or ask a question. Okay, so here goes. Like I told you earlier, all important information for you and your parents will be found in Life Skills Study Hall. So you're going to click that. Then over here in Upcoming, you can see that I've started to add the events for the Zoom check-ins. What you'll do is you'll click on a Zoom check-in. Okay, there we go. Once you have this up, open up another tab and type in zoom.com. So, with that, I then am going to copy and paste this. So I copy, and then I do Control-C, come over here, click Join Meeting. I put that in there, and I hit Join. Okay, always allow. Give it a minute. It's going to ask you if you want to join with computer audio. Of course, always do that so I can hear you. Okay. And then you will be asked to put in a passcode. And your passcode will always be Herbert. This isn't letting me on right now because it's not time for the meeting. Okay? So I hope that helps. And if it doesn't, please, as always, send me a message in Schology, send me an email. You know how to get a hold of me. Thanks. Bye.